Hey guys, we're going to talk about scatter plots. And all scatter plots are a collection of data that we put on a graph. So we have the formal definition of a scatter plot is a graph used to determine whether there is a relationship between paired data. Scatter plots can show trends in the data. And all a paired data is just what you would see in an XY table. So if I had this would be some paired data that I could put on a scatter plot. And if I did that, I can have three basic types of correlations. I can have a positive correlation, negative correlation, or no correlation. Positive correlations do exactly what you think they do. It means that the data is positively related. The trend tends to increase, like my slope would be positive here. Negative correlation, the trend tends to decrease, so my slope would be negative. And the no correlation is when I just have things scattered all over everywhere and I can't actually look at how the things are moving. With scatter plots, we also have what's called the line of best fit. Now, the line of best fit is simply what is drawn up here in these examples. It's the line that fits the data the best. We have a couple criterias when we talk about the line of best fit. We're looking for the line that crosses the most data points possible. And that just means that I'm not going to say that this is the line of best fit, because how many data points does that cross? Just one. Surely we can do better than that. Also, we want to try and get about the same number of points on either side of the line. And that just means that when I have my line, like over here, I have 1 point that's not touching, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points on this side. But on the other side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's about the same. So this is probably a good line of best fit. That's all we're looking for. So to draw the line, I'm going to use a straight edge. If we're using Canvas, I'm using Cami, we're going to use the line feature. Let's see, and I'm just going to try. If I draw this line, that gets me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's a pretty good line of best fit. So I'm going to call that good. That's not the only line that I could draw, but that's the one I'm going to draw there. What kind of correlation would that be? Well, that would be a negative correlation because my line is going down. What about example B? Example B, I don't think I can draw a correlation. This would be no correlation. There's no line I can really draw that's going to fit this data well. Line C? Scatter plot C? Scatter plot C, I could definitely draw something like this. And I've got about 1 point on both sides, so that's good. And this would be a positive correlation. The line's going up. And then finally, example D, the line of best fit could look something like this. And this would be a positive correlation. It's going up. That's a scatter plot and the correlations.